All right, boys, what's up? I want to make a quick video covering sort of the one habit that actually turned me into a profitable trader, because there's so much shit that goes around online and so many misconceptions about the best habit you need. You have to wake up at 5 a.m. You have to wake up and do this. You have to read a book before you trade. You have to read Trading in the Zone. All this bullshit that goes around online. The best and only habit you need as a trader is discipline on the charts. And where does discipline on the charts come from? It comes from peace outside the markets. And this might sound very like nomad or guru of me, but this is actually something that's like really changed my trading. Is whenever I go to the gym or whenever I go outside, I am at peace with myself. I am no longer chasing a dollar amount. I am no longer chasing a move in the markets. Why? Because I understand that whether I catch a $5,000 trade today or tomorrow, nothing changes. What changes in your life? Let me tell you. If you sold a $10,000 payout, if you had a $10,000 payout today, right? But you don't get it today, right? Because you lost your trade. What would have changed whether you get it today or tomorrow or the day after that or next week or next month? What actually would change in your life on a day-to-day basis if you lose your trade today, right? Because you've lost the last few months. You're unprofitable. You haven't made money the last few months. So what is going to change this month that you don't make money? Because you haven't made money the last few years of your life. So what's going to change today if you don't make money? What's going to change tomorrow if you make money? Nothing. Nothing is going to change. So stop chasing a dollar amount when you're trading, right? And when I say discipline is the one thing that turned me profitable, I mean the discipline in my life is what keeps me at peace. Because when I'm on the charts, I am constantly focused on not entering a trade. I am focused on waiting for my setup to present itself and not trying to justify a random trade in the market, right? If you have to justify a trade in order to enter, you are gambling, you're chasing a dollar amount, you're not at peace with yourself. You're gonna lose that trade, you're gonna regret losing it, and you're gonna crash out for the rest of the day. Now, you can do one of two things. You can do what I just mentioned before, which is crashing out when you lose a trade because you justified a random entry, or let the trade come to you, be at peace with the idea, with the concept of not making any money. Be at peace with the concept of not taking a trade. Be at peace with the concept of maybe even losing money this month. Maybe even losing money this week, right? Because whether you get that money today, whether you get it tomorrow, whether you get it next week, next month, nothing actually will change on a day-to-day basis, right? So stop stressing, stop tweaking over a loss, over a trade, over a bad trading week, because at the end of the day, if you have a sustainable system and you understand your model is profitable, you will be rewarded. You will be rewarded whatever your system presents itself, whatever dollar amount you make a year off it. I'm sure it will balance itself out if it is truly sustainable and profitable, right? You cannot justify random entries in the markets and expect to make a salary from the markets, because the markets is not a salary and it never will be. So stop treating it as such. It is performance-based, meaning, did I trade my best today? Did I follow my rules? Did I follow my system? No. I wonder why I'm unprofitable. Yes. Okay. Maybe I lost this month. Maybe I won. At the end of the year, I'm going to come out green, right? Understand that. Understand that you are thinking on such a short-term based mentality, on a view. Your point of view is so short-term. Open your eyes to the long run. Open your eyes to the next few months, to the next few weeks, to the next few years, right? Is this how you envision yourself acting as a trader? Do you see yourself in 5 years as a profitable version of you, not being at peace with yourself? Do you see yourself being profitable in 5 years by gambling on the charts and entering and exiting random trades that you justified that were just dog shit? No, because the profitable version of you is at peace with him or herself. The profitable version of you is at peace. They are not chasing a dollar amount. They are not chasing a P&L in the day. They're not chasing a number of points. They're not chasing a percentage gain either. They're chasing nothing. They don't chase, right? They are waiting for their setup to present itself. And when it does so, they're willing to put X amount of risk on the table, right? You need a risk tolerance. Not every trade is going to play out the way you want it to or the way you intend it to, as you have definitely learned in the past. Losing trades are part of winning systems, as I literally taught you yesterday, right? So if you take a loss and you over leverage on that trade because you got cocky and you lost more than you intended to, you are more than likely going to crash out, right? You need a risk tolerance. You can't risk more money than you're actually willing to lose on a trade. That is part of poor psychology. That is very poor risk management. Your job as a trader is to be the best loser and the best risk manager you can be, because from there comes real progress as a trader, right? So before I leave you guys today, ask yourself a few questions. Do you see yourself as a profitable trader in 5 years being at peace with yourself? Do you see yourself in 5 years as a profitable trader, not seeking X amount of money out of the markets on a daily basis, not seeking a percentage gain, not seeking a point gain, but waiting for his or her setup to present itself before they enter and put real risk on the markets, right? If you're doing something today that you don't see yourself doing in 5 years, or that you shouldn't see yourself doing in 5 years, cut it out. Learn to be at peace with the concept of not taking a trade. Learn to be at peace with the concept of waiting for your setup to present itself, right? Because that is discipline. And discipline off the charts translates to this discipline on the charts. If you're lazy, if you don't go to the gym, if you can't accept a loss, they all go hand in hand. It is all self-accountability. It is all being lazy, right? You lack progress and you are stagnant in life, right? So learn to be disciplined on the charts, learn to be disciplined off the charts, and then you will be at peace with yourself. And with peace comes sustainability in the markets, right? So with that, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. If you guys are interested in joining the free Discord, I will leave the description for that, or leave the link for that in the description. I hope you guys have a blessed day and safe trading.